There are so many people in this jury whose work I've admired for years.
It is also a good time to be Payal right now. Congratulations on getting it here, and may you one day buy the Cannes Film Festival. So the new fashion rules that came, that didn't bother you, ना कि लंबा लंबा trains नहीं पहन सकते.
तो मैं पहनने ही वाली
वो तो वैसे भी नहीं हम पहनने वाले थे वो लंबा लंबा train.
पर लोगों को कुछ भी पहनना चाहिए यार. My name is Payal Kapadia. I am at Cannes with Sucharita.
So nice to see you again at Cannes, Payal.
You as well.
You know, when I met you in Bombay for the Critics' Choice Awards, I was only half joking that maybe I'll see you at Cannes again. I had no idea that I will actually see you at Cannes again.
At that time even I didn't know.
Yeah. But so this is like your 500th time here. You were here in 2017 with the film Afternoon Clouds. Then 2019, you were a resident at the Lassane Foundation. 2021, A Night of Knowing Nothing, that won an award. 2023, we created history with All We Imagine Is Light. 2024, we created history. 2025, we are jury. अगले साल ना आप फेस्टिवल को खरीद लो. It just makes sense. आप मालकिन बन जाओ फेस्टिवल, the Payal Kapadia International Film Festival. But how has it been so far this year?
It's been a real delight, I think, and a lot of learning because it's not it's the films itself, of course, are it's an incredible program, and with the jury, it's so wonderful to hear them talk about the movies. And there are so many people in this jury whose work I've admired for years.
Yeah.
So for me, it's such an important time for me to listen and to be part of this group, and it's a real privilege.
When did you first hear that this was going to happen? When did you find out?
I don't remember. I think maybe March or April, I think.
So what is that process like? How did they decide that you are going to be on the jury? Did they just call you randomly one day
Yeah.
and then ask you if you're available to be for jury duty?
Yeah.
And so have you seen all the films, or you're going to watch the
No, we
premieres?
watch it.
We're watching together.
We watch it on the premiere. Yeah, more or less, or the premiere or the following day.
Yeah.
Depends on the schedule. But we watch it in the Salle Lumiere, so that all films are watched equally.
And then do you guys like are living in one house and like making breakfast together? That's the picture I have in my mind. That Jeremy Strong is making breakfast like Ande in the morning, and you guys are sitting next when someone's smoking and like discussing kya dekha kal.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं.
In my imagination, that's how it works. And then you guys get together and you discuss all the films that you watched.
Yeah.
As much as you're at the liberty to tell.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Have you like enjoyed like getting to know these people on a personal level as well outside of, because you've been a fan of their work like you just said?
Yeah, it's still we are just on the third day. There's a long way to go.
Yeah.
So maybe a lot more to talk about and discover.
Another thing that comes with being jury is all the fashion that one must do, because
One must, apparently.
there's so many photos and photo calls, and you have to walk the red carpet nearly every day.
No, not every day. We have to do it a few times. Yeah, the rest you don't have to walk the red carpet.
And what has that been like for you, doing all these looks every day? I saw those photos. It was really quite nice.
Yeah, actually, I really appreciate the work that goes into like good fashion.
Yeah.
Just the artistry of it, the craftsmanship of the people who make it. It's kind of like a film, like it's the vision of one person, and then there are so many people who work on it. There are the artisans who make the fabric, and in India we have such a culture of great fabrics. Last year I had worn the outfit from Maku, which is also an Indian.
The big black,
Yes.
blowy thing.
They made it so nicely that I could wear it in two different ways, because it was slow fashion. And they had made the fabric, all the artisans had done all that. And this year also with Payal Khanwala's red and the blue that I wore, I just really appreciate how she has this vision for the shape and the fabric, and it's so wonderful.
Yeah.
And the suit as well from Arjun Saluja, I really think that he's one person who really has like a sculpture like look at clothes. So I'm interested in everything. So I find that how people are thinking about this to be so fascinating.
Do you have a styling team, or are you styling yourself with these designers?
Me, I cannot style myself.
No.
If I style myself, I will be like this on the red carpet, and they will not be happy. So
Please give a shout out to your styling team.
yeah, I have a stylist who's my very good friend. She's also a costume designer, Indrakshi.
Yeah.
Uh, so she is the vision. She has the vision to put it all together. She got the jewelry and everything from Amrapali, which was the collaboration with Masawa. I really like this thing of the very kind of boss suit and the jewelry. I think that was a great choice that she made, and also because like I have to watch the movie also, no, I have to sit and be comfortable and everything. So she had that in mind that I'm a very fuss free kind of person. So I like to wear pants. So she thought about all that, and she did. Yeah.
So the new fashion rules that came, that didn't bother you, ना कि लंबा लंबा trains नहीं पहन
तो
सकते
मैं
हैं।
पहनने ही
वो
वाली
तो
थी।
वैसे भी नहीं हम पहनने वाले थे वो लंबा लंबा trains.
बट लोगों को कुछ भी पहनना चाहिए यार, इट्स करेक्ट, आई मीन।
Wear what you want. There's a sense of responsibility that comes with this role because this, whatever decisions you're making right now are they're forever, these decisions. They can change careers, they can change life paths for so many people who are on the receiving end of these decisions, of the deliberations you make. Does that overwhelm you, feeling that sense of responsibility? Or is it chill? My film is not there. Are you feeling a lot easier this year?
No, I think, at the end of the day, the filmmaking is a community. Somebody has been a jury when our film has been there. We are a jury when, it's a peer sort of setup. So we have to be very respectful of every movie, watch it and give it the right, um, just to think that how would you like somebody to watch your movie? So I think there is more than that, it's just the respect for people, all the people who've made these films. It's not, it's such a lot of people make movies together. It's a big community, and we have to have respect for all of that.
Yeah. Ang Lee, when he was on the jury, Ang Lee had said that I'm afraid to judge people's movies in public. Are you afraid to judge other people's movies?
I mean,
Because I judge them every week.
yeah, that's your job as a critic. But judge also, like, there are so many things to consider about a movie, and everybody has a different perspective. So what is good is that we have 9 jury members, and everybody is coming from a different place. We are from so many different countries. There's Hong Sang-soo, director Hong Sang-soo, who's from Korea. There's Carlos Regedas. There's so many people from Alba Rovaca from Italy, whose work is like really important to me. She and her sister Alice have made films that, they just gave me so much. So I think that's what it's about, kind of having the different perspectives and seeing where that leads us with the discussions. So I think that's why they really think about it, to have such a lot of different perspectives.
Yeah. What was opening night like when you walk up on that stage and you know that millions of people are simultaneously watching this on live stream, watching you walk, get to your seat, sit behind Halle Berry?
I mean, I think you're not part of the whole can thing. So I don't think about it much. Like I was really honestly, I was happy because we were all, as a group. I didn't have to go there alone. And in the morning we did the photo shoot also. So we had already become a little like friendly, and
Yeah.
so that's the main thing. You need to have people that you feel comfortable around, and then it's okay.
Lastly, Payal,
Sorry, this was a very lame answer. Maybe you don't want to use this.
I will use everything you say because it feeds into the next question I'm saying. We were doing, I'm telling you this, when you're doing All We Imagine Is Light last year, the award season run and everything, and every second day a new award is announced and it's amazing, and you traveled a lot of countries and you give a lot of speeches. Every little clip of yours doing an acceptance speech kept going viral over and over and over. I'm telling you this because people were really clued in to how this film was breaking new grounds. It was doing so many new things. It was very exciting. So you clearly didn't observe that happening. I'm telling you. There was a movement to find your acceptance clips. And
Maybe amongst critics, no, I don't know.
amongst cinephiles.
Cinephiles, yes. Yeah, cinephiles are.
So what do you have to say about the Indian cinephiles who are following your journey very closely?
I'm also Indian cinephile. So I'm part of the group. I'm a very big cinephile, and I'm also always excited about the different movies that are being made in our country. some films that are like coming from the Northeast, for example, like filmmakers like Dominic Sangma.
Correct.
That he is working in Meghalaya and he's making a movie amongst his local setup. Rima Das, I mean, we don't need to, but it's just that in Kerala also people are doing so many interesting and dynamic films. So for, I think, a cinephile, it's a very good time.
It is indeed, and it is also a good time to be Payal right now. Congratulations, I'm hearing it here, and may you one day buy the Cannes Film Festival. Kharid lena ek din. Thank you for chatting with me today and taking time out from jury duties, Madam Jury.
Thank you. Thank you.